She's back!
Martine, you look crazy. Of course I look crazy because today I have pulled out all the stops. I have put so much foundation on. I have even baked. I have baked, which I never do. What's the cat got to say? Sacred cat approved. We know I love Anastasia Beverly Hills and I love Drag Race. When I saw this collaboration, my jaw was on the floor. And I'd already made the decision that I wasn't going to buy a palette this month because I've spent so much money on makeup. I really need to stop spending so much money on makeup because I want to keep trying everything. But this collaboration, Anastasia Beverly Hills and Alyssa Edwards. I mean, I couldn't, I had to have it, obviously. I just did my nails, so getting into this box could... Oh my word, and the pink. Always and forever, Alyssa Edwards. This is gorgeous. And we open up, we take this off. Oh my word, it's so gorgeous. Look at the shades, it is popping. Do not fixate your eyes on the yellow for too long, you might go blind. So you know my thing about when I open a palette for the first time, my eyes go straight to one or two shades usually. So obviously it's the yellow. My eyes go straight to the yellow, which is called Brick Road. Yeah, Texas Made Dream It, which I'm assuming there's a few pressed pigments in here. Do you know the funniest thing about pressed pigments, and I'm already sure I can promise you it will be on the back here. Yeah, here we go. Texas Made, Dream It, Believe. Yeah, Texas Made, Dream It, and Believe, and BBDC are pressed pigments, and it will say on the back of the box, are not intended for use around the immediate eye area. I mean, it's an eyeshadow. I just find that funny. That's just something that they have to put on there because of the ingredients that are in it. You will probably 99% of the time be fine, but if you're very sensitive, pressed pigments can leave a bit of a stain. I'm going to try not to talk too much today. I am just wanting to try this out, try and see if we can make something big and fantastic. Obviously put some larger than life lashes on. My boyfriend Hugo and I, we watch Drag Race on Netflix and it's just the best time of day. You come home from work, you just want food and you want a bit of RuPaul and his queens, and oh my word. And we can honestly say that Alyssa is one of our absolute favorites. There's just these handful of drag queens that just stand out to us and we remember them forever. Yeah, let's start with the yellow, which is called Brick Road, and see where the road takes us. We're going to flick today. Of course we're going to flick. That goes on really nicely. It's not patchy at all and it builds quite nice. I mean, it went on really pigmented from the beginning, but I want more. Yellow dream. If you can believe it, yellow was my least favorite color growing up. I thought yellow was such a boring color. Can you believe it? Boring. Ooh. Wow, look at that yellow is just popping. Okay, moving on. We're gonna have to do that raspberry pink called Texas Made, because that is also screaming at me, and I think that would blend so nicely with this yellow. Ooh, I like that. So where the yellow blends with the pink, we're getting this really nice orange color.
Girl, look how orange you look, girl.
Yeah, that had to happen. We were all thinking it. So obviously if you now blend these two together and orange wasn't what you wanted, just keep patting on the pink and you'll get just a pink color back. Oh, these are so vibrant. Oh my word, summer, I am ready for you. I need a holiday. Beach. Right, well this is nothing less than spectacular. What I think I'm going to do is pull the yellow even higher so I can pull the pink even higher and just make it even more of a statement. And I'll be right back.
How long is this going to take?
Yes, now we are talking. Poof! Do you know, I got the vibes right now. The orange that the yellow and pink is creating. Did you ever go to McDonald's when you were a child and then just played with the mustard and the ketchup and swirl them together? That's kind of like what this colour is giving me, but in like a good way. Okay, what do we want to do now? I feel like we need to contrast this. So, oh, we've got so many beautiful shades. What I really appreciate as well with this palette is it's got such a nice mix of mattes and shimmers, because I find that so many palettes these days have so many shimmers and it's kind of hard to make a cohesive look with just one palette like that. But we've only got the gold, the purple, the like raspberry beyond. Those are the actual shimmer, like glittery shades in this palette, and everything else is a pressed pigment or a matte, which I really, really like. So thank you, Alyssa, for that. Why don't we just go blue? Blue, 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 blue. I really like the fact that there is a blue. We're gonna do an outer corner V with the blue. Let's try the blue. Oh, it's going on there. Oh, the pigment. Hello and good morning. Wow. I'm sorry. 1 second. The pigment. This is so pretty, honestly. Wow. Just look at that. That is like the epiphany of blue. Ooh. It said on the box, something that Alyssa had written, I don't get cute, I get drop dead gorgeous. And now you can too. My dream for this palette was to create a color story that will give you life. That is exactly what this is doing. Like, oh, wow. One that will bring out the inner beast in everyone. Okay, so what are we wanting to do here? We still need to blend a little bit. Let's put the gold in the middle of the eye, because, you know, I can't resist a good gold. So we'll just tie the pink and the blue together with the gold called Inspire. Just there. Now, as always, we try dry first and see if we need some wet. I wouldn't say you have to wet it, but let's wet it for fun and see. So yeah, you don't have to, but it definitely does pop a tiny bit more with a wet brush. Ooh, is it the best gold I've ever used? No, but it's exactly what it needs to be for this palette. Right, so we obviously need to tidy this up. Oh, I'm living for it. Imagine if I could go to work like this.
Yeah.
Okay, what do we want to do underneath our eyes? Let's do blue again. Now, I want to mention that I have had no fallout, nothing, hardly any pickup in the pan. It's almost like non-existent, which I know that Anastasia has had a little bit of issue with in the past, but that issue has definitely been dealt with. Oh my word, the way these colors are blending together. I mean, obviously, like I said, I get the pink and the yellow turning into this orange, and then underneath the blue, I've kind of got this purple thing happening. Oh, it's amazing. And obviously, like I said, if that's not what you wanted, just pack on more and you will get the color that you wanted in the first place. However, the way they are blending is just amazing. It's just creating a spontaneous rainbow. Right, so I'm going to tidy this up, slap on some lashes, and I think we need some white eyeliner today to just make our eyes as big as we possibly can. And I will be back.
Am I a drag queen now?
Oh my word, you know who I look like? Vanjie.
Miss Vanjie.
A little bit, don't you think? Ha, this is as camp and fabulous as I can make it. Oh. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. I'm kind of living for this wig, even though it's getting in my eyes and it's the most synthetic thing. If you come anywhere near this thing with a match, this will go up in flames like nobody's business. I think this came together so nicely. This is honestly so awesome. Definitely check this palette out. You'll be set for summer with this palette. All you need is another palette with a green. And I want to end this video by saying, if you can't love yourself, how in the hell are you gonna love somebody else? Can I get an amen in here? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you in my next video.